Hi and welcome to your ShurLink training. In this video, we will go through the steps on how to set the mid-stops on your new ShurLink Pro remote. Before we get started, please note that you must have your travel stops set prior to setting your mid-stops. Please see the previous video for steps on how to set your travel stops. So let's get started on your remote home page. You will then use your down arrow and click it twice until the Edit a Device line is highlighted and press the Select button on your remote. Next, use the down arrow until the channel you want is highlighted. In this example, we are going to use Channel 1 and press the Select button. Now, press the down arrow until Set Mid-Stop 1 or 2 is highlighted and press the Select button. Use the operational Open or Close button to position your device in the desired location to set the mid-stop. Then, press the Select button to accept this position. Next, you will choose the direction of operation you would like the stop to be set in by pressing the operational button Open or Close. The remote screen will then display Successful Stop Set. Press the Accept Operational key to save your new mid-stop. Your mid-stops are now set. Reach out to any member of the Shur-Co team for further questions or clarifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll be sure to see you soon.